Well, the Department of Law and Criminology at Aberystwyth can offer many things to students. We are a very old department. We've been around since 1901, but that doesn't mean that we're backward looking. On the contrary, we're forward looking. Employability is very much top of our agenda. In the recent survey, 100% of our law graduates obtained employment or went into further study. Similarly, 100% of our criminology and applied psychology graduates went into employment or further study, and this, I think, are very key figures, and they certainly beat the national average. So from day one of your studies in the department, we will be looking at employability. We were trying to enable you to develop your employment skills. We have workshops on writing your CV, workshops on interviews, workshops on how best to present yourself, as well as many visiting speakers from all different walks of life, from the police, from the judiciary, prison service. Indeed, we've even had prisoners, ex-prisoners, talking to our students to give them an idea of what life is like and to prepare them for work. So employability, as I say, is very important to us. In addition, the people who will teach you are also people who are actively involved in research. We have colleagues who are doing work, for example, on the internet, and the rather difficult question of who owns the internet. Google, the mighty Google, saw the publications and expressed an interest and actually came to Aberystwyth and held a conference here in this very building. So the staff who will teach you are involved in many different areas of study. They work with the United Nations, Council of Europe, the Welsh Government, the UK Government, and any number of non-government organisations. Also, we do like to offer our students a wide range of choice. There are certain modules you have to do because they're core to the degree scheme, but also there's a wide range of optional modules, and for example in law you could choose to go down a commercial route, a welfare route, a route around jurisprudence and legal philosophy. So plenty of choice for you to choose the type of degree, law degree or criminology degree that you want to obtain. The department itself is reasonably small. It's not too big. We do get to know our students well, and we have a very nice, friendly, relaxed community. We want you to enjoy your stay here. We have a number of clubs and societies. I mentioned in particular the Law Society, the Criminology Society, and if you're going to be a lawyer, the Mooting Society, which is all about mock trials and visits to the Supreme Court in London. Great fun. Our team do exceptionally well. Well, we're absolutely delighted that the university is in the top 10, is number 7 in this year's NSS. That's a result of a lot of hard work by a lot of people. In the law department, we beat the national average for law. We achieved 89%, and that is very reassuring, and people rated highly the teaching and learning opportunities that they experience here in the department. So we take the NSS very seriously, we learn from it, and also throughout your time here as a student, we are constantly asking you, what can we do and how can we do it better? And we do listen to what you say, and we try to improve things on an ongoing basis.